Welcome to Steampunk Tuesday. It's a little bit different this week. We are painting the bedroom for Mum and Dad for Christmas, so I'm going to do a show and tell with this rather strange device.
Wondrously strange.
Wondrously strange device. Well, this wondrous device has been built from my friend and customer Vince. Vince is mad on Doctor Who, as a lot of us are. So this is my Dalek containment system. I'll talk you through it. So, the Dalek has been here a very long time, hence the reason why it's all rusty. Thank you, Mike, for all the paint effects on here.
You're welcome.
It looks amazing. We've got the verdigris and all the run marks and the water and the rust. There's real texture on the rust as well, because I've used some rust paste as a base, and then Mike's gone in there and worked his magic, because I get very nervous when it comes to distressing stuff.
Do you know, you distress me loads.
Thank you for that.
And you don't even have to try.
Oh, I do my best. So we have the Dalek in the middle, who's been here a very long time. That's the concept behind it. Underneath, you've got the blue lights. The Daleks always have blue lights under them, usually, I think, when they travel. Mm-hmm. But he's actually fastened in there, so he can't get away. He's fastened onto the little islands.
So are they like really high-powered
magnets
to stop him from moving?
Yeah, Dalekanium magnets.
Fantastic.
Okay. His eye stalk has been removed, and he's got a Time Lord rune dial there, and that keeps him under wraps.
Okay.
But we've installed a human eye.
Oh, it moves.
So he can see what's going on. He's actually looking for the Doctor. And Vince's favourite Doctor is, I'll show you down here, is Tom Baker.
Mr. Tom.
Mr. Tom.
Doctor number 4.
Yep, on the front you've got a dial that says about Dalek strength. Obviously it's at 0. If the needle goes across, you're in real trouble. And we have the two, these are great, these are the LED flickering flame lights that I stock. And I've put them on the little boxes, and I've put the lolly sticks round to give you a type of, looks like it's all planked with wood and then riveted together. And then here we have the red lights there to keep it contained. And then at the top we have the containment lights, which really, they're just to keep it where it is. I'm going to go and turn the lights off now, and you'll see what it looks like in the dark. He is totally freaky in the dark. So bear with me a second. So as you can see, the top part of the containment field, they look absolutely unbelievable. The whole Dalek is just bathed in this light. The human eye, of course, lights up. And then we come down, we've got the side containment fields, the red ones. And then we have the flickering lights. These are just like warning beacons to take care. We have the blue light from underneath, which is a really, really eerie light. And then Tom Baker lights up. I don't think he'll pick that up on the camera.
No.
His eyes light up. He looks like he's staring at you. But yeah, this in a room with a lot of other stuff. I'm also building a spinning TARDIS, which I'll share with you next week, which is for Vince as well. But the fact that the eye moves is a little bit freaky.
Is it one of those kind of machines that, seeing as we're coming up to that special time of the year,
Yeah.
probably wouldn't need a tree, would you?
No, you wouldn't. But yeah, it's quite a tall device. It's taken a very long time to build with all the special paint job that Mike's done for me. I am really, really pleased with it. And plus we've also got the little bits of, it looks like drilled metal.
Do you want to turn the lights back on?
Yeah, I will, Mike.
And then we'll be able to see those properly.
Yeah. Okay, so we've got the fancy, it's MDF, but it looks like it's metalwork. It's all been spounced. Is it spounced? We call it spouncing, Mike?
Yes, you do.
With one of Tim's sponge daubers into the paint and then onto the MDF.
Yeah.
That just gives you a slight hammered effect, and there's no brush strokes in there at all. And that goes all the way around, and it's got the screw down, it's got little 4 rivets. It's got these big screws and big rivets on here. These are actually what's holding the base onto the box.
What I like as well is the fact you've managed to be able to kind of match up the paper
with the verdigris.
to the colour of the verdigris. That's running down.
I would say that I'm brilliant and that's what I did, but it was actually a sheer fluke.
Was it?
It was, yeah. But then we've got the dial at the front, as I say, with the Dalek strength, the little viewing screen for Tom and the switch, all that's contained on the front. It's covered in a blue leatherette, obviously Time Lord blue.
Mm-hmm.
And I am really, really, really pleased with it. I think it stands probably nearly 3 foot high.
Yeah, I'd say.
Would you say?
About 3 foot high, yeah.
Yeah, so that is my show and tell for today. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again real soon. Bye for now.
I'd like to say a huge thank you to all of my angels, because without you, these videos would not be possible. Thank you.